I'm Dale, one of the fitters from Kuda here. Today I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to fit a Mercedes Actros infill. Step 1. Undo, just put 6 torques on the original piece of Catwalk so we can slide it forward. Step 2. Evenly place the foam anti-rattle tape along the chassis, 3 pieces each side of the chassis. Next step, remove the mud wings from either side of the vehicle. Now we're going to fit the angled support bracket which holds the infill to the chassis itself. You'll see a vacant hole here. This is where you have to attach the bracket. The bracket goes on the outside of the chassis. Like so. So as you can see, I've now fitted the brackets either side of the chassis. Now, the square rubbers that you find in the fitting kit, please put on top of the, like so, easy as that. So now we're going to fit the infill itself. First of all, you want to start by tucking the end under the original piece, lowering it down, and moving it onto the brackets and aligning the slots on top of the rubbers with the brackets you just fitted, like so. And then realigning the original piece, sliding backwards and forwards to sit on top of our infill. So, making sure you have a nice even gap between the chassis and the infill itself. Go on then. So now using the M10 bolts supplied, I'm going to attach the infill to the brackets. Once you've pushed the bolt through, you're now going to re-tighten the original piece of Catwalk. Then tighten the 2 bolts at either end from the back. That is now your Mercedes Actros infill finished and fitted.